unboxing video. I haven't done one of these in quite a while. I have done a few in the past, but I haven't done one in quite a while. So now what we're going to do is do an unboxing video. And I've got Greenlight's Down on the Farm Series 5 and Series 6. These sets are the farm tractors that Greenlight came out with. Let's go on and start off with unboxing Series 5. Now the question is, will we get a green machine in either or both of these cases? I've never opened them, so I really don't know. The seals are still intact on both of these boxes. As you can see, they've never been opened. So let's go on and start off with Series 5, open him up, and see what we get. They come nicely packed, and then they got those little pieces of tissue paper to protect the tractors and the packages in between each one. Now let's go on and pull them out one at a time. First one I pulled out is this 1974 tractor with open cab. It looks like an Oliver in its paint job, but it doesn't have Oliver graphics. But it does look like the Oliver. And nope, not a green machine. Next one we pull out, green wheels, but it's not actually a green machine. This is a 1992 Ford 5610 with cab for some department that painted them this weird color. I'm not really sure what the heck the deal is with that. But it is not actually a green machine because that's the wrong color green, and this tractor was supposed to have those green wheels. Now this is a green machine. That is their metallic green on those wheels. And you can see it has some airport on it. This one was for an airport, and it is the 1990 Ford 6610 tractor. I guess they put 6610 on the graphics instead of 5610, which this is really a 5610 tooling, but still pretty cool. Now it is the green machine. So yep, we did get one green machine in the set already. Up next is the 1984 tractor with 4-post drops and front loader. That is a big bucket. This is the International. It's based on the International 3088 series. Really nice tractor. Really nice set. Could also be the 5088 series. Really nice piece that they did. It just does not have the IH graphics. It just has 3088 graphics on the side. It says 3088, but no IH graphics. However, it's definitely the 3088 International tractor. Coming up next, we have a 1952 Ford 8N. Gray with blue belly and blue loader. That's a little bucket. Of course, that bucket might be a little too big for an 8N to lift. That's asking a lot out of an 8N. They weren't much of a tractor. But Greenlight did a really nice job on this. And yes, if you're wondering about a blue belly on an 8N, there really were some factory restores that had blue bellies, and then there were also some people who restored them themselves and painted them blue. Ford had a program on that. And then let's see what the last one is. The last one is another Ford, 1987 5610, all rusty and weathered. Isn't that cool? Now you got the tractor sitting off in the field that is just, kind of forgotten. They even made the weight bracket crooked on it so that it looks like it's really, really falling apart. They did a nice job painting that one up. The 1987 Ford 5610. So yes, this set did come with one green machine in it. Right there. Now I'll have to find the regular one for my own collection. And then here we go. This will have the whole set showed off here. And there is Series 5 of the Down on the Farm, the complete set. You have the 74 Oliver You have the 92 Ford 5610, the 90 Ford 6610, which is a green machine in this set. Then you have the 84 International 3088 with a loader, a 52 Ford 8N with a loader, and an 87 Ford 5610, all rusty and weathered. A really nice set for you. Now let's go on and open up Series 6. This is Series 6, down on the farm, a sealed case. And let's see, do you think we'll get a green machine in this one? We got one in the last one. What about this one? I'm just curious. It seems to me that they've been putting more and more green machines in each case than they used to, which is making getting full sets harder and harder to come by because there's just too many green machines these days. But I don't know. We'll see. Let's see what we get in this set. All right. First up, we have a Minneapolis Moline 1972 tractor with front loader. And it looks like they put a hay grappler on it. So that's kind of new. Really nice. Of course, it doesn't have Minneapolis Moline graphics on it, but it's painted Moline colors and it has the right, almost the right grill. The grill is a little bit wrong, but everything else is right for a Moline. Next up, we have a 1989 Ford 6610 with canopy. Now, it looks like this one needs a little bit of a repair. You know, it needs that canopy rotated back because it's that and the fenders are a little bit too far forward. That should be an easy fix. It's painted in DOT Highway Orange. So this probably was a highway department. Now, highway departments used these 6610s a lot. They loved the 5610, 6610 Fords. They were great highway mowing tractors. Next up, we have a bale throw wagon. Now, the design of this is on a different wagon, and I've got it linked down below, but they painted it essentially John Deere green and yellow. Almost John Deere green. It's a little bit off on the green, but the yellow is spot on for John Deere. So you could get away with calling this a John Deere bale throw wagon, even though it technically isn't, and it's based on an Easy Trail bale throw wagon. That's what they used for their model. And for more info on the Easy Trail bale wagons, go on and grab my free flyer that I've got down. It's linked down below on the Easy Trail bale wagons. Pretty cool. Let's see what else is next. So far, not a green machine here, but we still got 3 to go. Now this one, I like this. I'm glad it's not a green machine. 1983 International 3088. Well, doesn't have 3088 or international graphics on it, but it's for the U.S. Air Force. That is cool. It's painted in the nice gray. I really, really like this tractor. That is a cool model. It's open station, and it has a nice black stack, black grill, but everything else is pretty much gray. That is cool. Next up, still haven't got the green machine, so we'll have to wait and see. 1948 Ford 8N with front loader, and it's red loader, red hood, and red belly. Do not know where in the heck they came up with this paint scheme. That is not a Ford paint scheme, and I'm at a loss. If you guys know anything or any reason for this paint job, let me know. It's pretty cool. It's got a great big front tire and a little bit bigger rear tire than a standard Ford 8N. Probably need it for that loader, though. And the last one. Will it be a green machine? No, it's not. A 1981 International 3088. Of course, it doesn't say International, but it does say 3088. Open station, and with a silver exhaust stack instead of a black exhaust stack. Really nice. Everything else actually is the IH colors. It just needs to have the International written right there on the side stripe and a little IH logo added on the front. Really, really nice tractor here, and not a green machine in this set. That's cool. If you guys know much about me and Greenlight, I don't particularly care that much about the green machines. I think it's a cool concept, but ever since they really got crazy and started putting way too many in every single release, I have not been really enjoying it. Like, you order a case and you get 7 chasers and in the whole case. Like, really? This is crazy. And they'll all be the same chaser in that case to make things worse for you. You won't get, 7 different machines. You'll get 7 of the same one as a green machine. And that's just too much if you ask me. And here is Down on the Farm Series 6. Starts off with a Minneapolis Moline 1972 tractor with loader and a hay grappler on it. A bale throw wagon in basically John Deere green and yellow. A 1989 Ford 6610 tractor with canopy in highway orange. An 81 International 3088 open station. An 83 International 3088 open station, but this time for the U.S. Air Force in gray, military gray. And then the last one is a 48 Ford 8N with front end loader, this time painted all red. Interesting choice of colors on that, but we'll see. Now, no green machine in this one, but there was a green machine in Series 5. So, let me know, guys. Do you guys have any of these series in your collections? I'd really like to know what you think of the Greenlight farm tractors. It's kind of a unique set, and it's a shame that they're not doing much in the way of new tooling with it, but I think that they've done some really nice toolings, especially when you figure they're so much cheaper than Ertl for this roughly the same detail at this point. And that is today's unboxing video. I got a link down below for several other unboxing videos, so you can go watch the other ones that I've done. They're pretty much Greenlight and Hot Wheels. I'm not a huge fan on the unboxing videos, but occasionally they strike my fancy and they're fun, especially when there's a chance of getting a chase model in the box. So, I'm Logan, the 64th Gear Jammer Skeele, thanking you for watching this video. Please go on and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you with the next video. Same time, same channel.